this is my ride for today. RX-7, the yellow one. It's crazy, guy, so hopefully it will be good. I've never ridden in a RX-7, and I can't believe that we're driving an RX-7. This has like 500 horsepower. We have a Macan in front of us, behind us. The sound, it's amazing. Today, as always, on Sunday mornings, there are crazy car meetings in Bangkok. Anyway, that's a Cars and Coffee in major Cineplex, and let me give you a quick look around what's happening here. First of all, we start with the 350, 370Zs. These are cool cars. I like the black on this one. We also have a Subaru Impreza. Subaru Imprezas are popular here, to be honest. And we go here to the Porsche and to the new, what's the name of it? I have no idea. Which one is it? Toyota? I have no idea. A GR, definitely. We have a Honda Civic Type R. These are kind of expensive here, you know. It's pretty expensive, but yep, people buy it because it's JDM, the JDM style. And we go right here to the Evo 10. It looks nice, to be honest. We have a Volvo. Volvo is not very often, you know, seen here, but it looks pretty cool. We have another Subaru Forester, and we go to the JDM style. We have 370Z, 350Z. We have 350, 370, 370. Yeah, the 350s, 370s are kind of popular here, to be honest, and they are of course tuned all the way, all the time. They are tuned, as you can see right here. And we have the first two GTRs, actually. The first one, is it R32 or R33? I have no idea, I'll put it in the comments. But we have also Flux GTR right here. We had a kind of an accident last week on this curb right here. I won't show you, maybe Flux will tell you more about it. And we go to the RX-7s. RX-7s are super cool. There was one more, but it already left. And on this side we have more different kind of things, and especially the Porsche Macan in a beautiful Miami blue, I think it is the color, and of course a lot of scooters and of course an Evo. Evos are super popular here, but yeah, you don't see them very often. Well, you see them very often on the car meetings, so yeah, let me give you just a quick look from the back of all these RX-7s and the R34 GTR. It's kind of cool. The plan today is just to talk about cars and then go for a drive. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, that's a very important message. If you want to drive these cars, this GTR especially, well, as a passenger, you can, and I will put the link in the description how you can do it. Yeah, this guy is Flug, and his girlfriend Rak will give you a tour of Bangkok, basically the JDM tour, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I went on one of these, and it was crazy. It was crazy. You know, Bangkok is crazy. The cars here are crazy. The culture is crazy. Everything is crazy. So yeah, if you want to drive R34 GTR in midnight purple, you should do it. You should definitely do it. Link in the description. Oh, yeah. And this is my ride for today. RX-7, the yellow one. It's crazy, guy, so hopefully it will be good. I've never ridden in a RX-7, but yeah, hopefully it will be good. Oh, that's very low.
It's small.
One more time, I guess.
Okay.
Alright, welcome to RX-7.
Hi.
That's amazing, that's amazing. Let me put my seatbelt on and let's go to another place. Alright, we go for a drive. And I can't believe that we're driving an RX-7. This has like 500 horsepower. We have a Macan in front of us, behind us. The sound, it's amazing. And yeah, that's crazy, let's go. We have another two RX-7s behind us, right? We have R32, R34, and we go for another meeting. And the sound of the Rotary engine, this is something different, something completely different. So thank you for the ride, and let's go and explore Bangkok in the JDMs. Thank you so much for the ride. It was amazing. Well, this is Thailand. This is Thailand. This is the RX-7, the yellow one. But we have more. We have a white one, right? And a silver. Wow. Wow, just wow. What a day. What a day. I mean, this is like a typical Sunday. It's not special. It's not, nothing is happening. And we have an R34. Oh, look. We have RX-7 right here. It's very loud. I know. R32, 3 RX-7s. This is crazy. This is super crazy. There's not the whole pack here. Some of them already left, but yeah, this is one of the best days ever for a car guy. You have to drive an RX-7. You know, you can hear the Rotary engine, which is pretty loud. So thank you. Thanks again. Thanks again. This is like, you know, a dream come true. All right, what a day and what a lineup of cars behind me. Thank you very much to the owner of RX-7 for the ride. It was amazing. And yeah, this is Thailand. The hospitality of Thai people is amazing. You know, but they don't know me and they took me for a ride in the RX-7 and previously in R34. And this is, I think, one of the last vlogs from Thailand, because I go back to Poland on Wednesday. We have one more coming, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, but don't go away, because if you ever are in Bangkok, in Thailand, you can drive one of these. These guys have JDM Bangkok tours, and they can go with you on a ride, you know, on the Cars and Coffee, just like this, and you will get a ride in R34 or in RX-7. And yeah, it's gonna be amazing. They offer Cars and Coffees, whole days, etc. So yeah, it was basically riding in R34. If you've seen one of my previous vlogs, I will put the link in the description. I don't earn any money from this. And yeah, this is basically, if you're a car guy, this is what you need to do. So once again, thank you very much to everybody who came here. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your community. And yeah, let me just enjoy this view, enjoy this moment. I will cherish it for a long time. Thanks for watching. Bye.